my first ever how to trigger the door alarm series, so push the button, Ronan Woodpecker 108. Now we stand in the doorway. You go in the elevator, I'll purposely stand in the doorway.
Okay.
Very nice. We are going to stand here until the door alarm goes off.
Is there a sensor or something?
Yes, there's a sensor. There's a sensor. Wait. Door alarm's not going off yet. What? Oh, it went off. Let's go up.
That was unusual.
Yep, that's the Schindler MT door alarm for all you elevator fans.
And that's it.
Not yet. We are going to trigger it again for the people who did not. We're gonna trigger. We're gonna trigger it again for the people who did not hear it.
And that wasn't the alarm.
No, that was just a chime. If you look up there, you can see the shaft. Very nice. I'll end once the second door alarm goes off. Oh, it's going off again.
And that's it.
Wait.